Okay, Angel Travelers fans, the moment that I have been waiting for. Unboxing. If I can get it open. They are here. It's time. I'm no Mariah Carey, but I'm so happy that these books are here. And from the looks of things, I'm gonna have to order some more because pre-orders are doing well. I am so excited about the movement. I'm so excited about my local family that is supporting me, and I just cannot say thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, fam. Love ya.